how you like. Hey. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do another makeup look. So for this look guys, this was been requested by Amera. Gagawin ko daw yung makeup look ni Jennie sa How You Like That music video na teaser, ganon. Kasi iba, kasi yung ginamit niyang look sa music video, and iba din sa yung teaser sa yung pag ganun, yung pag ganun nila, girl. So, alam naman natin na si Jennie ay isa sa mga members ng Blackpink. So, disclaimer guys, I am not a, ano ba tawag doon? Blinkers. Hindi ako blinkers, pero, nakikinig ako sa mga kanta nila, ganon. Counted ba yun? Pero hindi talaga ako yung super fan na fan talaga. Pero, yeah, I love their music style, yung yung sa Bumbaya, ganon. At madami pang iba. Pero, when we say Jennie, maganda, maputi, ano pa, sexy, parang total package na girl, talented. Ano pa bang hinahanap mo na sa kanya na siguro? Was she a pan girl? Anyways, Jennie is maputi. And ako naman is lalaking Pilipina, yung skin tone. So, medyo malayo talaga yung skin tone namin ni Jennie. So, gagawin ko ng twist yung makeup look ni Jennie. So, Jennie's makeup look in morena skin. So, if you wanna know what I'm going to do with my face, just keep on watching. And don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo kung when ako next maka-upload. Gagawin ko is I'm going to take my contour stick, from Fukalur, and I'm just going to contour my face kasi medyo slim si Jennie. Yan, kailangan natin yung ma-achieve. So, kung nag-wonder kayo guys kung bakit contour yung inuna ko, kasi I want the look to have a flawless effect and hindi tayo magpapakak na foundation kasi we know na yung Korean makeup is really light, it's very feminine, it's very delicate, So, kailangan walang mga harsh lines kasi, that's Korean look is. So, after na-blend natin yung contour, we're just going to take my concealer to highlight the high endpoints ng face natin. So, huwag kayong matakot maglagay ng concealer guys. Kasi tatakpan naman natin yan ng foundation. Kung medyo na-weirdan kayo sa ginagawa ko ngayon, you can follow this or you can, really do the regular makeup steps, yung foundation and then the highlighter at saka yung mga contouring na ganun. So, I'm just going to tap the blender. Hindi ko talaga siya isa-super blend. Kasi para makita pa rin siya kapag papatungan natin ng foundation. So for my foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline New York Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation in shade 320 Honey. So hindi siya kita, ganon. Basta Maybelline siya, girl. So ito pa rin gagamitin ko para medyo siya, na-overuse na tong sponge ko. Well, anyways. So ilalagay natin dito para makontrol natin yung coverage guys kasi we don't want full coverage foundation. Gusto natin yung light as possible. Now, once we're done blending the foundation into our skin, lubang kape. Well, anyways, after that, we are going to do our eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use my Nichido in shade Black Brown. And I'm just going to do my eyebrows. Yeah. Kasi we don't want super pakak eyebrows. Yeah, so light lang talaga, guys. And after that, I'm going to take my spoolie and then brush it up. After doing our eyebrows with the pencil, I'm going to take my You Can Be Brow Soap to just make my eyebrows, bushier. Okay, so I'm just going to take some product and then brush my eyebrows upward. Okay, so now once we're done with our eyebrows, pretty easy, right? So I'm going to take my nude rose palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to take any brown shade. Yes, so any palette, guys, basta may brown shade, just to make your eyes warmer a little bit. Kasi para hindi siya magmukhang super plain. Yes, ganun lang. Ganun ka simple. Yes. So after that, yun lang. Isa lang shade para medyo extra yung video ko, ganun. Okay, so after that, we are going to continue with our pink smudge. And for our pink smudge, guys, sa under eye area, di ba, kung nakikita, ano ba yun? So nakikita nyo sa makeup look ni Jennie, meron siyang red or reddish pinkish na tone dito. And now for that, I'm going to take my NYX Cosmetics Wonderlust Envy the Voyager. So, and we're just going to take something pinkish tone na shadow. Hindi sobrang pink, hindi naman super red. Parang nasa middle lang, okay? So, as you can see right here, we have this shade. Ito. So, sa camera, it looks super hot pink. Ganun yung pagka-pink niya. Pero, when you apply it on my skin, it looks reddish pink, diba? Sa previous video ko, yung monochromatic makeup look ko. So, medyo, hindi siya super pink talaga. Pinkish reddish yung basta girl. Just, okay. Take this brush. Ito. Isang malaking brush. Ikaw bahala, guys, kung saan ka komportable. Pero for me, kasi pa-smudge effect siya, we can work with big brushes. Or pwede naman din yung mga blending brushes na maliliit. So for that, I'm going to take a pink shade. And I am just going to put it under my eye. Yes, so nakikita nyo yung parang sinuntok effect na. So dito, hindi natin ipapalapas. Hindi natin ipapaabot dito sa gano'n. Dapat clean yung upper part sa ibabalag yung medyo madumi. So let's just work the pink shadow underneath. So, ganun lang. I-blend niyo yung mga edges. Diba? So, nakikita nyo, mukha ng sinuntok. So, So, i-shape nyo lang yung eye bags nyo, guys. Alam naman natin na lahat ng tao may eye bags. So, just shape it para mas madali. You know, na-shape na. And then, just buff the edges. Para merong smooth looking effect. Para hindi siya masyadong harsh. Buff lang natin. Okay, so, after nun, I'm just going to take a precise brush. Just takes a little bit. And I'm going to line it under my eye. Yeah. So, closer to the lash line as possible. Para mas intense. And after that, I am going to blend the edges. Yeah, so ganun na kasimple, guys. Just put some shadows, ganun ka lang, blend, and then just intensify the waterline, and then you're done. Girl. So after that, para magmukha tayong Koreana, I'm just going to take my eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to, make a eyeliner, just a slight eyeliner, parang natural na eyeliner, para may stretch effect yung eyes natin, kasi, girl, parang mukhang alanganin yung eyes natin. Just a little bit, guys. And connect it sa lash line. Yeah, so ito na yung eye look natin, and I'm just going the same thing on the other side and be right back. Now I'm done with the other side, and now I'm just going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder and to just set everything. So after that, we're now going with our blush. And so for our blush, we're going for the Sassy Lady. So, yung blush ko is hindi siya ka-shade ng shadow sa under eye. So, yeah. Parang mag-add lang siyang peachy effect lang. And hindi siya kita naman. It's very subtle. Yeah. Biligyan lang natin. Just subtle blush. Yes, ganun lang. So after that, we're going for our highlighter. So for our highlighter, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. So as always naman, guys, alam niyo na. I'm going to mix these 3 shades just to create a dewy look. Kasi alam naman natin, sila Jennie, gano'n, napaka-ganda ng skin. Diba, tita yung pakakabog, girl. So after that, we're just going for our lips. And so for our lips, diba, mukhang natural naman yung color niya. Hindi siya full lipstick talaga. So I'm going for a lip tint. And so for our lip tint, I'm going to use my Venus Cosmetics lip tint in shade Intimate Gel Lip Tint. Yeah. So yung trick dito para easy to blend siya is I'm going to prep it with any gloss or any lip balm. Yeah. So for today, I'm going to use my Human Nature Sunflower Lip Miracle in Peach. And I'm going to prep my lips. And I'm going to put this. Yeah. So yeah, that's very much of it. Let me Jennie's how you like that nila na teaser. Yeah, so I'm just going to put a little montage just to showcase my look for today. Jennie, pasok! that's it guys. That's the end of my makeup tutorial. So kanina nyo pa napapansin yung top ko. Diba? Very attention seeker ng top ko. Kung bet nyo na kayo talaga yung titigan ng mga tao, girl, shop to chase. Yes. So, ililink ko lang yung shop nila down below. So, nakuha ko to from Chase. So, I'm just going to stand up. Yes. Yes. Girl. Yes, so, diba? Super glittery. So, I have another one, the holographic one, na color blue, para siyang galaxy. So, dalaw yung binili ko. And, yeah, so that's the look for today, guys. I hope kung makikita mo to, Jennie. Jennie naman. Baka naman. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and comment, guys, kung anong gusto niyo pagawa for me sa susunod na video. It could be challenges, it could be anything, basta video. Yes, so, every time I am going to post sa story ko na makeup challenges or what should I do for the next vlog, please guys reply guys kasi gagawin ko talaga, and yung iba is I'm going to put it sa mga notes para hindi ko makakalimutan. And then yeah, that's it. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell para update kung when ako next mag-upload. How you like that? So see you to my next video. Bye bye.